Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how to set Applock password in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to set your Applock password in your Infinix phone. So how can you set and guys how can you use your Applock setting in your Infinix phone? In this video guys I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to set Applock password and we will scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone security setting. Click here. Guys, click on your Applock setting. Guys, draw any pattern you want to set your password. So friends, example for guys we will draw this double Z. Again guys same, and friends you want to answer enter your any answer. So example for guys we will take any name. So example take guys I will take my friend name. Done. So friends you can see guys your app lock setting guys. If you want to lock any app you can lock from here. So example for guys you can see guys if you use guys any your app. So example for your Chrome app. So guys you can see we have this app lock. First of all guys we will off our phone. We will start here. So friends now you can see if you open your Chrome guys you can see your app lock password. So like that guys you can set your app lock password in your Infinix phone and guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Before going please go and like